Listen, Styles, I gotta talk to you about something because it's making me nuts.
Yeah, well, I hear you, but if it's that intense, I'll need a solid buzz to think clearly.
Well, look, I wouldn't even, mention it to you except that I gotta talk to someone.
Wait a minute, are you gonna tell me you're a fag? I mean, if you're gonna tell me you're a fag, I don't think I can handle it.
I'm not a fag. I'm a werewolf.
Where would that scumbag keep it? Scott. Scotty?
Styles, it's me. What do you think?
Can you do that anytime you want?
Yeah, I guess so. I mean, I just did. But see, sometimes it happens when I don't want it to.
What can I say? You're beautiful. Hey, what can a teen wolf do?
I can smell what you're looking for.
The stash? Well, no, I checked there.
Styles, this is just between you and me, okay?
Yeah, TW. Look at you. TW, you're gonna be glad that you came to me with this. Yes, because with the right angles, man, we're gonna turn this into something monstrous.
Styles. Styles.